Hi everybody, PT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com, and gonna make two videos today. One video is going to be on the trade that I'm actually in right now, and then I'll follow it up after this trade with the trades that we took in the U.S. session. Now it is late U.S. session, and our trading room session does close at 10:45. However, often I will stay in the room, and in this case, did see a nice little setup here. So we posted this in the trading room, and some traders did take this trade. Now, I just wanted to show this starting with the 15-minute chart that we drew a nice trend line today in the trading room. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to let me just zoom out here so you can see this trend line a little bit better. Okay, you should be able to see that now. Okay, so the trend line was drawn right here. This trend line does extend a few days back, and this we came over here, we consolidated with the trend line, came down, retested it, and just a beautiful move down. And right now we're right around that 99 level. I took the short from 99.40, and I'm actually still in that right now. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit closer. I'm gonna get to the 5-minute chart. Alright, and here's a little MT4 dotted line which shows exactly where you got. Actually, on this account, I think I'm a little bit lower in the short. Needless to say, there was a Head and Shoulders that was clear on the S&P index. So S&P was also a really nice short as well. Of course, with Aussie dollar, it does mimic the S&P. So if for some reason you don't have an S&P futures trading account, you can mimic that trade by simply shorting the Aussie dollar. Usually the trade, the correlation is pretty good with the S&P. Okay, so at any rate, I personally did take a trade on the S&P as well as the Aussie dollar. So right now we are at 98.98, and you can see we're moving lower, we're flushing. But I just wanted to do this video just to show this beautiful trend line retest here. Okay, now what I'll do is zoom in. Just zoom in for you. Alright, move this chart over, and you should be able to see that. Okay, nice move, a consolidation here where most of the wicks, just kept pointing that we may just see a flush. Okay, long wicks, long wick. Okay, so we almost got two hammers here. Alright, possible reversal candle to the far left. Just popped up just enough, retest this trend line, and boom, flush. So let's talk about targets. 98.72 or 98.71, let's say, is the overnight low on the Aussie dollar. I will be looking to cover right around that level. Okay, I don't want to get greedy on this trade. It was a beautiful breakdown. Alright, let's take another look at this. This is on a 30-minute chart. Here is where I shorted. You can see when we came back down to this level and broke, I hopped in. So this trade should end up being at least a 50 pip short. We did do very well in the room today. 3 trades, total of 82 pips, but I'm not going to get into that. At any rate, I'm going to go ahead and track this trade because I'm most likely going to be taking it off for profit very soon. You just take a look at this left. Okay, that would make it support. Okay, alright, and you can see I marked it. Alright, so at any rate, just wanted to point out trend line retest with a consolidation. Everybody have a great day, and I wish you the best in trading.